We support each other on our respective core issues. Pakistan has always upheld one China policy and supported China on Taiwan, Tibet, Xinjiang, Hong Kong, and South China Sea issues. China has stood by Pakistan in supporting our key strategic, economic, and developmental priorities. Collectively, we have rendered incredible sacrifices to preserve and promote our shared goals and common values despite formidable challenges. Our all-weather strategic cooperative partnership has become an anchor for peace and stability in the region. We have the finest tradition of standing by each other through difficult times. In line with this tradition, our cooperation against COVID-19 pandemic remained exemplary. Our cooperation on COVID-19 vaccine is also exemplary. We are grateful for China's generous assistance and support in combating the pandemic, first with prevention materials, medical expertise and equipment, and now with making vaccine available equitably to rich and poor countries alike.